Hey guys, in today's video, I'll share with you how to customize token display order in Binance Wallet. Now let's start. First is open your Binance application. Then after that, just tap the assets icon. Now in here, just navigate the wallet and we'll be heading to the wallet interface. Then after that, just tap the assets icon. Now in here, we will be customizing our tokens display. All you have to do is to click this filter icon, then tap Manage Tokens. Now in this section, you will be able to see different tokens you like. You can also search the specific token you want. Then after that, if you want to add that into our wallet, just enable this or toggle this. Then after that, let's go back to our Binance wallet. Now as you can see, the tokens we just enabled are displayed in this section. So the tokens are automatically arranged into alphabet. And if you want to add customization in your tokens, just tap the filter icon. Then if you want to hide assets less than 1 USD, just enable this box. Or if you want to show risky tokens, just enable this box. That's all. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.